Welcome. In this lesson, we're going to design the search doctor page. Select this frame, Alt key, then you drag and keep it there. So here we'll edit this and delete it out, and also delete the filter icon. Select this frame together and drop them down a bit. Okay, so let's go back to our first page and copy this search icon and bring it to this frame. I'll reduce the height, the width to 320 and snap it to the end of the grid. Select the two of them and position them properly, and vertical position to 60. Okay, all right, so now let's take our text tool and type or Shift+A to add auto layout and give it background fill of green on our global color and corner radius of 20. Okay, let's increase the padding to 20 and select the frame and change the direction of the text to horizontal and leave it like that. Okay, so duplicate one more, update the text to print. So let's just give a different distinct option that will enable them to select. So this time we'll change this background fill and just add a stroke instead, and the stroke color to our global color. Okay, so second one should be bring, and also increase the padding to text. Okay, so we can duplicate again and update the text to casual, so increase the padding to 40. Okay, duplicate that and let's add one more, say dentist, same and drag. Okay, all right, let's add more, update the text to I, what we call it, and so on and so forth. Okay, so what you are going to do is to select them all now and align them properly and distribute the horizontal spacing. Okay, then you can group them together. So let's take another frame of the same width with the screen, that is let's select it and say 402, 402, and we can give it height of 50. I take off this two and put it inside like this. Okay, and make sure another part of it is hidden so that it will be scrollable. Now we can drag this frame and put it inside our, and keep it there like that. Okay, so what we are going to do now, we'll go back to our prototype and select this frame and make it horizontal scrolling, so this way user can scroll right and left before they search. So let's double tap here and also update the search to doctor. Then beneath that we're going to add key. Okay, so let's go to our iOS 18 and search for keyboard. Okay, so then we add this instance. So this instance is going to be an overlay. It's going to be an overlay that will come under the, when user tab there, it will show as if yes, tab, and when they tab, it will now navigate to the next screen. Is that thinking? So once they search, maybe it will now take them to another one that will have the doctor name. So let's just take it like this. So now in this screen, let's assume the user search for Dr. Simon and all that. So we're going to update this to Dr. Simon Josh. So here, let's say this is what they search, and this result here should bring Simon Josh to the top. So for us to do that, let's select the frames together, then Shift A to add auto layout. So this way we can take the tab Simon's frame and take him up and leave him there without affecting the other ones. Right? So we're done with the page. Congratulations. In the next lesson, we're going to design the specialist doctor page. See you in the next lecture.